In this tutorial, I will show you how to swap faces and give a new look to your images for free. Open your browser. Go to pixlr.com, choose AI Face Swap. Click on Open Image. Choose your image and click on Open. As you can see, we have uploaded the target image. Now we need to upload our face image. Click on this plus icon. Choose your image and click on Swap button. A few seconds later, here is the result. It looks very realistic. To download this image, let's try another one. Click on Save